Yo, what's up? It's very early morning, about 7:30, and we are going to the East Nusa Penida. But check this out, Mount Agung in Bali over there, and the seaweed farms and everything. So beautiful here.
Okay, so Nusa Penida also famous for seaweed farming. See behind me, that's the seaweed farmers. It's harvesting time. So we will see later on how they are harvesting the seaweed.
We'll see. There are some locals here who are doing the seaweed.
Oh, nice.
They are the seaweed farmers. I mean, the places in the ocean, small kids playing here.
Look at them.
Yeah, people sorting the seaweed. Hello. Nice. Oh, be careful, honey.
So if this one already dry, they will sell it about 13,000 per kg.
As you can see, so many people harvesting here, sorting the seaweed. One on the left, on the right. Maybe they are a little bit shy. Hello, how are you? Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. That's how it looks, the morning in Nusa Penida. Nusa Penida life. Also here, they're gonna dry on the road.
Okay, so we are heading to the Diamond Beach and look at the road. So bumpy. Be careful, honey. So whenever you are planning to go to Diamond Beach, East Nusa Penida, make sure you got a proper nice bike and have a good skill in driving. So we park our bike and look at the road to go to Diamond Beach.
Yeah, but
So
normally over here in normal conditions, so many
cars here.
bikes and so many people, but not today.
Right, so we enter to. Okay, so we have to pay donation.
Donasi.
Pintar bahasa Indonesia. Makasih donasinya.
Thank you.
Okay.
So this is how does it look like? Atuk Beach warning: all activities at your own risk. Yes. So down there is the beach, and there is the big cliff, and there is the Coles Diamond Beach is over there. Honey, hot?
Super hot. It's just 8:30 in the morning and already hot.
Yeah,
That's
but
the
it's
diamond.
beautiful, right? Yes, it's the diamond. Honey, do you wanna go down to have an Instagram picture like all people from around the world? No? Ah,
I don't wanna
okay.
risk my life.
So, do you mean they risk the life? No, but it's so.
For Instagram?
Yeah,
Jesus Christ, look at that, the small narrow road.
yeah,
I mean, small narrow path.
I know. Just make a picture here, lah. Okay, so basically this is the Diamond Beach. It's beautiful over here, as you can see. But we're not gonna go down. But I will fly drone and I will show you around how it looks. It's beautiful.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say. I love you from a beating heart. I love you
situation is like that. It's so hot. It's 11, not even, it's 10:30 at morning. I'm still uploading video because internet here, yes. But I have my coffee and Winnie is swimming. I will show you around. Okay, coffee the most important. Uploading. That's how it looks, the place. That's really the same place where we was yesterday, but it's so magical. In Nusa Penida you can enjoy the vibes like this in the shed, or like Winnie swimming or making Instagram pictures. Hi honey. Check this out. By the way, the color of the water. Honey, how is the water, honey?
Oh, the water is very warm.
You enjoying swimming?
Nice water.
But it's nice color, you know?
Yeah, and look at that amount of room. It's just covered by the clouds.
Oh, yeah, yesterday was more visible. Enjoy. Oh, enjoy, honey. I will be yeah, your coffee is ready also. Change position a little bit. That will be the office for today. Not so bad. Sayang enjoying
Here's
coffee.
Swimming, coffee.
And beautiful view. Okay, basically that's how it looks, the life in Nusa Penida. Very peaceful. You can drink coffee, enjoying the beautiful sea breeze and the view like this one, because this is the view what many of you will describe as the true paradise. I would say it's kind of true paradise. So this morning we was in the one of the famous Instagrammable place, what you can make a beautiful pictures if you wish so. And now it's so hot, so basically we decided to chill. Also I'm finishing uploading my video. Not so bad place for uploading the video, by the way.
So this one is Damian's office for today from Nusa Penida.
Yeah, kind of. And yeah, many people asking also if you can bring your own bike or car to Nusa Penida, which is possible.
It is possible actually that by a ship from Padang Bay, you can bring your own car, but yeah, that's ship only once a day.
Only once a
Yeah,
day.
ship is quite big, but it's not as big as the ship going to Java or going to Lombok. But that's normally a special ship for logistics to Nusa Penida.
So basically also gonna take quite longer time, like coming to speedboat is just 30 minutes, but by boat, I don't know, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, something like that, maybe
Yeah.
5. I don't know, never do it to be honest. Anyway, I think personally it's better just rent a bike here, and also if you do so, it's not so expensive and you support local community, local people who living here. They also struggle during the current situation, you know, not
Yeah.
many tourists and everything. Anyway, now it's so hot, so we will just chill in this place, not so bad place to chill, sea breeze. And we will see what they're gonna bring us more. Later we're going back home today also.
Yes, you see that's the spot for diving in Nusa Penida. It's very nice.
Very
With
nice.
overlooking the Mount Agung, blue ocean.
Blue ocean. So nice. Alright, just arrived to the harbor, checked Winnie style. And there is the very nice engine. So basically we just come back because it's so hot and not...
Welcome home, son.
Welcome home! So that's how it looks, the situation in the harbor. Our boat over here, our shoe somewhere here. Big mess, everybody are quickly going to grab the shoes. Rush somewhere, I don't know where they are, everybody rushed to home probably. Anyway, I will show you the engine. That's the very nice looking the engine, the boat, V6, not so bad at all. Nice, just interesting fact.
That's our trip for 2 days, 1 night from Nusa Penida. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
Like always, see ya, take care.